Wow, it's been a hectic few days. I moved house. So anyway, let me take you back a bit and then I will show you around a little bit of Trou Aux Biches. Look at that perfect mango tree. Wow. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Very much packed up. Just some fridge things to do. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's moving to my own place. I think it's the first time I've ever had my own place. Like in my whole life. It's always the times before, like mostly everything is packed up and ready to go and you're kind of waiting for the chaos to hit. Is the guy going to arrive with the truck? Is the truck going to be big enough? All the timings and everything. But just before that, there's a little bit of peace. Yeah, and then other people's pets you've become familiar with. Hey, Poppet. That you're gonna kind of miss. And of course, this absolutely beautiful environment. Well, in the place I'm going to is called, it doesn't have the palm trees and everything. Not yet. And then, like, I put the fan box there to remind me that I need to take the fan. And I got the incense going. Like, when Brian and I moved from Goodlands to Baie, we lit incense and it's kind of soothing. It's pretty cool. I know it doesn't look like much, but a lot of the stuff actually stays. I'm trying to organize this little bag to hold all the cables and things. My guy with the truck has arrived, but it's like a little car. We'll make a plan. It's a Jeep actually. I can do anything. Yep, still got a pool. This one has been amazing. So, gonna have to do 2 loads, but that's okay. Just waiting for the lady to arrive. Yeah, so it's gonna leave that stuff there for now. Go fetch the rest and resume our journey. And there you go. Goodbye, old place. It's been nice. Whew. It's hot enough though. Moving on. Listen, what a saint. Thank you, bye. Not quite 12 o'clock and I've moved. Let me show you my new place. It's not the whole thing, it's just one. So yeah, the swimming pool, little front veranda. Of course, Brian's 50th birthday chairs came. Let me show you inside quickly. Desk has been set up. Everybody has been so incredibly helpful. Got a lovely lounge, huge kitchen. So got to find spots for everything, as you can see. Got my bedroom over here. Got like an extra family room, which I'm probably just going to keep closed for now. Washing machine, bathroom, toilet and shower. Ricky wave. But yeah, I think it's absolutely perfect for me. And particularly this massive kitchen. And thank you so much to everybody that's helped me. Vissa and Lena, you guys have been amazing. I'm going to definitely invite you over for some lunch. Yeah, it's getting to Ricky's standard of neatness. I borrowed a side table. Made myself a little coffee station. Decluttered. Some kitchen goodies there. Not much on countertops. Tidy drawers. Yes. What is in the bottom? Randoms. A fancy bus stop. It's like really nice. Now I've got a choice because all of these will take me to Trou Aux Biches area, but one goes like right to Chez Popo. I think I'll just hop on. That bus ride to Trou Aux Biches was really, really quick, like one stop. But hey, it's better than walking. It's unexpected. Salticrax. There's actually a mini mart there, but I don't know, I think it's about twice the price of supermarkets. So let's keep going. And this man stopped and gave me a lift in the heat of the day. What's your name?
David.
David, he's a tour operator. What's your number?
57876212.
Awesome. Thanks, David. Yes, that was a little bit weird, but saved me some time. And here, this is known as Popo because it used to be called Chez Popo. Although it's rebranded to GSR, forget about it. It's still Popo. I think there's still a sign as well that says Popo. It's massive, actually. It's a very different layout. You start with like useful beachy things, which is great. Big wine section, massive. And then it's kind of a mix between like a big supermarket with the wide alleys and a small supermarket where you have to reverse if someone's coming up your alley. It's kind of cool. I like it. I must say it's the biggest collection of wine I have seen in Mauritius. It's truly massive. Very, very decent Asian food section. We've got some of the Vietnamese stuff. Yeah, everything you need. And the variety of stock. And chicken powder, bouquet garni, white wine, beef, and then up here there's even like lamb. That's very cool. So yeah, from the Trou Aux Biches bus stop, it's a bit of a walk. It's probably like 600 meters or so. Not so bad until you're on your way back with a lot of groceries. Yeah. I know that there are some buses that come past from this side, but not as many as from that side. You'd have to understand. Because a lot of them turn up that road. See that road? They turn up that road to go to Chile. Spotted some fans. Yeah, all good. Hi. Okay, so the bus stop on the way back from Trou Aux Biches area is a little bit further down the road. Which is kind of weird because there's one here going in that direction and there's one further down the road going in that direction, but not in this direction. Oh, and I didn't say Montrose Beach is like just down that way. I'll have to go check it out. This is the Coral Azure Beach Resort, but they actually do like sailing classes here. So if you're interested in becoming a sailor, getting your own boat, you can come here. Here is the details, and actually learn how to sail. Bay of Pirates. I've actually got it marked on my map from a couple of years ago as a really cool place to come and eat. It seems to be long closed. What was the story? It's a handmade concept store. Beautiful building. Oh, that is going way too fast. Oh, now this is super interesting. It's like two proper like old school houses. And it looks like they go right through to the beach. You probably can't see, but that's like the beach through there. What an amazing place to live. Cool looking restaurant. No prices on display. When you have a place that's got no prices on display this close to the beach, you know what I mean, right? It's like it could literally be thousands. Oh, hang on, here's a menu. Yeah, it's thousands. Okay, that's a lamb chop, fair enough. A dish of the day, $4.50. It's not actually focaccia there, not too bad. Starters, even some set menus. Fish salad, that's alright. And the most important, oh, a 750 bottle, 222. That's not bad at all. The supermarket's not open, weirdly. Okay, I met Nisha, she's the owner, and they also run the Kingfisher restaurant. So this supermarket's open from 9 to 9:30 to about 7 to 7:30 every night, but on a Sunday they only open at about 11. Yeah, their 6-pack of Phoenix beer is 720 rupees. It should be like about 360. And look at my score. Salticrax, of course, I got them. And some Bovril with some butter. Okay, no Bovril yet, hang on. Yeah, Brian would have been all over these. This is one of his favorite snacks. Bovril and Salticrax. Cheers, brah. Now, I'm gonna go swim. And yeah, anyone who says to you that Mauritius is very expensive, it doesn't have to be really. I know I take a lot of buses and I complain about them a lot, but you can live this lifestyle for like $1,200 a month. You know. Thanks for joining me again, and I will go out and explore the rest of the country now that I'm settled and I've got a place. Wow, this is just beautiful. These massive fruit bats are just flying over for about an hour now. Hundreds of them.